Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your last love read for 2021. Let's see Pisces how you're doing, how your person is doing. Oh my god, this card came out in the pre-shuffle as well. I will talk about it, okay? So as I was saying, let's see how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection. Of course, these are general collective readings, Pisces, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. Alright Pisces, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright Pisces, newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person. And in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, your mutual energies, etc. If this is your reading, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? Okay. Same cards. Action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Seven of Cups in reverse. Well, there is no confusion here. That much is clear. Somebody is totally out of the confusion. They, I think, know what they want, who they want. But this card keeps showing up, Pisces, for you in our pre-shuffle as well. This is a card of somebody feeling either they can't have victory for some reason, or it could be somebody feeling demoted from their pedestal. Maybe somebody had ego, pride issues or whatever. Right now they're feeling quite embarrassed, quite ashamed. They feel, well, they feel bad maybe about their own behavior here. Okay, so I'm going to put this card back inside and leave the Seven of Cups in reverse. Okay, so from what I'm seeing here, somebody's feeling they are not sure whether they even want to go around, because none of their emotional needs have been fulfilled here. Heart of hearts, I think they do. They don't want this chapter to end between the two of you, but they are feeling a little sad that it hasn't taken off. There are no signs of that, oh, we'll be together forever and the I love yous and all that has not happened. The other person is also feeling very disappointed. They feel they are in love. There's a lot of love here. The Queen of Cups is here for them. They really love their person, but there's a bit of disappointment and sadness here. Maybe at the fact that they never invested with this Queen of Cups in the past. Let's see why that is. I'm going to start Pisces with some dialogue message cards here. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Pisces and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person spirit. Thank you. We'll take a few more Pisces from another deck. Pisces and their person. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, Pisces, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right. Pisces and their person. The first card here says, I did not expect you to enter my life when you did. I wasn't ready. And maybe because they were not ready, they could have behaved not as such a great manner. Maybe, bad behavior, rash, bad words, not mature behavior. I feel so stupid for choosing lust over love. Now they understand what they did, right? Chose lust over love. I can't wait to lay my head on your chest and listen to your heartbeat. I tried to walk away from you, but something keeps pulling me back to you. You deserve to be loved. You are very special. Giving up and leaving just seems so much easier than to deal with any more pain. As said, I think, by person A. I'm so afraid that you've left my life forever. It hurts me to the core. Somebody feels they have said, I feel this King of Cups who's in reverse. This is normally an emotionally manipulative person, but in this spread, from what I feel, this person feels they don't deserve it. They feel they they've lost their chance to have this love with this Queen of Cups. Secretly doing things behind your back. Maybe that's what they were doing, and they chose lust over love. And now it's almost like kicking themselves that, oh my God, why didn't I choose that one cup, my Queen of Cups? Somebody's kind of going through a bit of depression, and they're showing it in a way of frustration, anger, frustration. It's all because they feel they don't deserve the love of this Queen of Cups anymore. Masculine, feminine doesn't matter. It's just a depiction. So I'm going to start, Pisces, with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for your read. A blessing, a guidance, advice, or a message, and then we'll start the clarification. Pray. Somebody, I think your prayers are being heard, Pisces. Your prayers are being heard, so continue to connect with your angels, your spirit guides. If you feel nothing is happening, you don't even realize how powerful your prayers are. Every word, every cry, every prayer of yours is being heard, and it will be answered. That's a promise from my angels. You may feel nothing is happening, but that's not true. Alright, so person A, why do you feel the 10 of Cups in reverse now? 10 of Cups in reverse, why do you feel emotionally okay? So they feel as much okay. That's still your wish, isn't it? You are still praying. You still are praying, person A, that somehow magically this connection can get healed. There can be a fresh new beginning, and you can get out of this cold place with your person, I guess. But right now, you don't feel that way. There could be isolation, or you feeling just unheard or unloved or something like that, and you're feeling, I'm not sure whether this can even happen, though heart of hearts you want it. You really want it big time, because the World card is in reverse, which is another card to say, I want a reunion. I don't want this connection to end. As much as I feel it won't, but then that's the wrong way to manifest as well, right? So when you pray, person A, when you pray, please don't say that. I don't think it's going to happen, but I really want it. Because then the universe gets a bit confused. So forget the part about, it's not going to happen. If you want it, pray for it. I'm sure it'll happen. Because that's what you secretly want. You want a reunion. You don't want this connection to end, right? So what happened in the recent past for you, person A, from your perspective, that you're feeling this way? And the Sun in reverse. Okay, so somebody made you feel you were not good enough, or somebody just had fights with you, just wanting to win, arguments, just to bad behavior, I would say, trying to make the other person feel, oh, you're not good enough for me. Not maybe saying it in words, but maybe in action, right? And and you were looking for happiness. You wanted sunshine with them. You wanted happiness with them. So that kind of left you with mixed feelings. And eventually, their bad behavior made you feel that, you just can't win from this person. And that feeling gave you a feeling of heartbreak. They broke your heart by making you feel, well, that you're not important enough, or, always trying to be one-upping you and making you feel bad, and not giving you that support or equal give and take. And even though this was a very, very special connection, it was a soulmate connection, maybe you guys have known each other for a long time, it ended up leaving you with some bad memories of this connection, right? So 6 of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Yeah, see, the arguments, the fights, the bad behavior, the rash behavior, the words that are spoken, not very pleasant, and that make you feel, well, too many bad memories here. They break my heart. Each time they talk to me or I talk to them, I come back feeling like a loser. I feel like I come back feeling it didn't go anywhere. In fact, things got just a little bit more worse, right? So that totally broke your heart. So how do you feel about the connection now, person A? How do you feel about your person? How do you feel about the connection? Well, person A is saying they just don't put the work in. I'm so tired of them. I keep waiting, but they just don't show me any effort. In fact, they behave like a spoiled child all the time. Immature behavior, behaving like a player, behaving always creating drama and chaos, never really putting in any work to show me that I'm important to them. Eight of Pentacles. Eight of Pentacles. Why do you feel this way, person A? Person A says, I'm just tired, I'm just exhausted, and I'm at the verge of saying that if this doesn't transform immediately, I'm ready to close this cycle. Right? Even though heart of hearts person A doesn't want it to end, it's just that they're so exhausted with this kind of behavior, right? How long, how many times will I try? I try and try and try, and I come back always bandaged and bruised and still saying I'm going to try one more time, but I'm exhausted now. Knight of Wands in reverse. Knight of Wands in reverse. Knight of Wands in reverse. Yes, see, person A is saying, my person is immature, they create drama, they behave like a playboy, they break my heart each time. This is a card of a heartbreaker, a promise breaker, and they always leave me alone feeling anxious, having sleepless nights over their behavior. So that's where person A is at, Pisces. This could be you, this could be your cross watcher, you would know. But what action person A will take, I'll open later. Let's go on to the other side and see how person B is doing. So person B, you're showing up, no. Okay, what's the Queen of Cups? Okay, that's what I felt. Okay, so they don't want to put the work in. They have a lot of love for this Queen of Cups. They do want to put the work in, but they're feeling very stuck. They feel they have bad luck, or they've had bad luck in the past, or right now they're feeling stuck because maybe in the past they never invested, they never put the work in. And yes, this person could be very afraid as well now. They could be very afraid. Why, Spirit? Why is the devil here with the Seven of Cups? Seven of Pentacles? Because they have no courage left. They are afraid to face the wrath of this Queen of Cups. They feel in the past I never invested, I never did the right thing, I never offered commitment. Oops, what did I do? Did something flip? Yes. Oh my God, what did I do? I opened that action card by mistake. I'm not going to show it to you. That action card opened up by mistake. I've seen it, I'm not showing it to you. It's a beautiful card. So I'm going to flip it right back and put it here. Wait for it. Okay, so this person is saying, I'm feeling really, really scared. I never invested in the past. Maybe they were in their toxic or low vibration energy or something. Now they are scared. Now they feel this Queen of Cups has turned her back. Now this Queen of Cups has a sword in their hand. Now even if I want to put in the work, I'm stuck, because the minute I will make any move, well, this Queen of Swords may just cut my head off. So this person is scared. Okay, so what happened in the recent past, person B, that you're feeling this way? Oh. There was a full opportunity here. There was a full opportunity in the past to make that love offer, because heart of hearts person A knew that person B knew that person A is their soulmate, they are my twin flame or whatever. They always were dreaming of this, of being that emperor to the empress. They wanted to have this partnership even in the past, and they did think many times of coming with that offer of love, right? But what did they do? They sabotaged it. Maybe because they didn't want to feel stuck. They wanted to get out of a situation. And see, my light went off. Come on. Come on, person B, why is your light off? Okay, I'm going to leave it. It's going to be hot. So anyway, so person B says, I did want to come and apologize to them, but then, I was in my lower vibration. Maybe they had addictions or whatever. So they never did apologize. They didn't want to, they felt if I do offer or accept that person A is my person, I may get stuck in a connection, and maybe they wanted to stay free. High Priestess in reverse. So they didn't. Instead of actually telling person A what they really felt, heart of hearts, this person was dreaming of coming forward and expressing what was in their heart, saying, hey, we are going to be together forever. But something made them stop. They never came with that offer. Even though they had full intentions of, maybe they were not enlightened, or they were in their lower vibration, maybe they had some addictions, I don't know what. So they thought if I, say something, then I'm stuck. So they didn't. Yes, they were not strong enough, I guess, to take that call at that point. So now how do you feel, person B? Person B says, I'm feeling the loss of love now. I'm the King of Cups in reverse with, I know who my Queen of Cups is, but now I feel unloved. They're very frustrated. King of, yes. So what are you manifesting, King of Cups? They are manifesting. They don't know how to get this new beginning. They desperately want to talk. And clear the air, but they feel they've done too much damage. The tower has already fallen and it's already crumbled, and they know they are the cause. And the more they are realizing what they've done, how they've been the source or the cause of this tower falling, they're very frustrated. And it's coming out as anger, it's coming out as bad behavior, it's coming out as frustration. Why is that? Knight of Swords in reverse. Okay. Because they don't know how to tell their person, I have no other options, you're the only cup I want. They don't know how to articulate it. They don't know how to communicate it. And that's the reason the Chariot is in reverse. They're not moving. Because they know if I move, I have to talk, and I don't know how to say it. That, hey, you're the one. That frustration is what is irritating this person. Okay, so let's see what actions you guys will take. I already know. Person B's action, I know. I told you, I won't tell you before time. I'm going to start with person A's action. Take a separate deck for this one. And Pisces, my time to remind you to just put a little click on that like button. It just helps the videos to circulate a little more. And newbies, when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, as that helps YouTube to send you notifications when new videos are released. Okay, thank you so much. Alright, so person A, what's going to be your action? 5 of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that? Why is that an action? Ooh. This full deck is upright, but this card came out reverse for some strange reason, so I'm going to keep it as reverse. And then I have a 2 of Cups here as well. Person A really wants to, and the 3 of Swords in reverse. What happened to this deck? They were all upright, but these 2 cards, very important cards, have come out in reverse. I'm going to take them as that. I think person A is still wishing and hoping to get out of the cold with person A. They don't want to be in separation with person A doesn't want to be in separation from person B. In fact, they would like a return. They would like a return and a healing of these broken hearts. They want that we should have no more heartbreak. Person A, heart of hearts, loves person B a lot. They see person B as their soulmate, as their happily ever after, their twin flame, soulmate, call it. It's such a beautiful card. And this card came out upright. I told you, this entire deck, I'll show you, is in the upright. right? Except for these two cards, very important, and then thank God they're in reverse, because both these are end of heartbreak and a return to your soulmate. So that's what person A wants. Okay, so will you take an action as well, or is that what you're praying for, person A? Will you take any action, or is that what you're praying for? Queen of Cups. Yes, this is the Queen of Cups, the same Queen of Cups that person B is so frustrated about. Person A is open to love. Person A says, my heart is full of love to give. I'm sitting here waiting for them to acknowledge it. I'm ready to give them love. But person B somewhere feels they don't deserve it, or they've lost it, and whatever. So now we're going to open the card for person B, the action they want to take. I've already seen it, like I said. So the card is the Ace of Cups. Well, their love is overflowing as well. This is like the highest level of love you can feel for a person, and they love this Queen of Cups to death, to life. Forget that. They want to bring in this new year with this love between the two of you. So Ace of Cups, why is that in action? Will you express it, or you're just feeling it? Ace of Cups, why is that in action? The minute I said they want to love this Queen of Cups to death, guess which card came? The Death card. Death, and it says rebirth. They want a rebirth of this connection. They want to put an end to whatever happened. See, inside all this darkness is the sun coming out. Why? Because when they look into their future, Pisces, they see a 10 of Pentacles with this Queen of Cups. They want a happily ever after. They want to transform this connection. In fact, they want to show up now and as the King of Pentacles. That's the spouse card, the person who you live with forever and ever, the person who's responsible. They want to be that for this Queen of Cups. I mean, these are 3, 4, 5 beautiful cards from a person who's actually feeling they're not even lovable and very frustrated. All they have in their heart is love for person A, big time. Beautiful reading. So 7 of Cups in reverse. So they've made their choice. They know the cup they want. Both of you do. So, but they're depressed. Why? Because they feel they've lost their 4 of Wands now. Very embarrassed, very ashamed. This has come out again. So let's take a card for the 7 of Cups in reverse as well. Spirit, as our overall energy. Why is the 7 of Cups here as our overall energy? Yep. Somebody wants to do the right thing. They want to balance the scales. They know that nothing else works. None of the other options, or, nothing. I know the cup I want, and I want to do justice and do the right thing now. Lovely read for you. Thank you so much for being here, and have a very, very happy new year. Love and light, Pisces. I will see you next year. Till then, take care. Namaste.